Let us solve this age problem. Vin is 17 years younger than Gilbert. In 2 years, Gilbert will be twice as old as Vin. How old are they now? Ang una nating gagawin is to create a table to clearly visualize the given in the problem. We have identified their names, Vin and Gilbert. We have information about their present ages and their ages 2 years later. Now, babasahin po natin yung first statement ng problem. Vin is 17 years younger than Gilbert. However, there is no more information about Gilbert. Kaya, si Gilbert is unknown. We let this as X. And then, it is stated here that Vin is 17 years younger than Gilbert. If Gilbert's age is X, then Vin's age will become x minus 17. And then for the third column, that is plus 2, so we will only add 2 to their present ages. So, mangyayari dito kay Vin is we will only add 2 to the x minus 17 plus 2. And then, for Gilbert's age is x in the present. So, 2 years later, magiging x plus 2. Now, for the second statement or sentence, in 2 years later po, ngayon, Gilbert will be twice as old as Vin. So, makakabuo tayo ng equation based on that statement, no? That is very clear. Ngayon, nagiging, ano ba yung mabubuo natin dyan? So, mabubuo natin is J is equal to 2V. Now, that is Gilbert is equal to 2V. That is twice the age of Vin. So, isasubstitute lang po natin no, yung ages ni Vin and Gilbert 2 years later. So, dito po tayo magkukuha ng information na isasubstitute natin dito. So, nakuha ba natin guys? So, isasubstitute natin. So, here, isasubstitute natin yung age ni Gilbert, which is the x plus 2 dito. So, equal to 2 times what? The age of Vin. However, we need to simplify it first. Yung x minus 17 plus 2, i-combine natin yung constant, which is the 17 and 2. So, x minus 17 plus 2, that is equivalent to x minus 15. So, isasubstitute natin yan doon sa equation. Ngayon, isi-simplify natin. We have x plus 2 is equal to, multiply natin to 2 times x, that's 2x, and then 2 times 15, that is 30. So, ang operation, that is minus. And then we have equal. Copy the 2x in the right side, and then transpose the x, this one, dito transpose natin to the right side. Kasi tinranspose natin to the right side, mag-change yung sign. Kaya nagiging minus x po. Now, dito naman sa left side, ikakopy lang natin yung 2. And then, transpose natin tong minus 30. Kasi naka-minus 30, if ita-transpose natin dito sa left side, nagiging positive 30. So, that would be 30 plus 2. So, ngayon, isi-simplify natin to. 2x minus x. That's equal to x. So, 30 plus 2, that's 32. So, the value of x is equal to 32. Ngayon, Gilbert is equal to x. So, that is equal to 32. Ngayon, about Vin's age, that is x minus 17, that is equal to 32 minus 17. See, that substitute lang natin yung 32 sa x. So, that's 15. So, yung edad ni Gilbert ay 32, and ang edad naman ni Vin ay 15. So, if nagtatanong kayo bakit sinasubstitute natin sa present age po yung nakuha nating value na x, it's only because yung question is the present age po. That is, how old are they now? Hindi po yung 2 years later na age. So, kaya isasagot natin is based on the substitution in the present age. So, therefore, their ages are 15 and 32. So, thank you for watching.